Deep inside Taipa village, Taipa Municipal Market, all up and ready with an upgrade at the Taipa Municipal Market. Going all around Macau, in and out and all around and in Macau, 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 in and in the Taipa Municipal Market, going down, going down, going down to the Taipa Municipal Market, to the Taipa Municipal Market. I'm going going all around Macau, in and out and all around and in Macau, 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 in and
Okay, so we're at a new Mercado, which is where I used to sell like fish and fruits and vegetables, and they completely restored it. Just to give you some context, that's a nice hiking trail up there. It overlooks the airport. This is all Taipa Village. This is all Taipa Village. All of this down here is Taipa Village. And this right here is Galaxy Casino. All of that, so that's the Cotai Strip. And then this is what we're going to be exploring in this whole little thing. So we're up at a terrace, and then we're going to explore and go down. So let me put this up on the map for you so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, pretty cool. We're gonna walk down in there too, so we're just gonna walk around this building so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So this is part of this terrace. So they have some outdoor arrangements. Let's see what this is. And I think over there is like security. So I don't think I'm gonna walk over that way. I think the terrace was the spot, so you can grab something to eat and sit out there. Oh, there's also a coffee shop in here too. Hello. Vagabonding Map Cafe. And this overlooks, so we are gonna walk all the way around part of Galaxy Casino. These are apartments. I think they're like social housing actually. And then this is all Taipa Central. So these are all cost some good money, some of these apartments in this area. Not horribly expensive, but not cheap either. Okay. So we're gonna go down and look at the different levels so you have an idea what it looks like. I think the lighting in here might make my camera flicker a little bit, but okay, so we're gonna stick to the left. So later we're gonna go down another set of flights. Right now we're on the first floor. That's an elevator. Choco egg, banana curry house. It's like maybe kind of Thai green curry. 48. That's really good prices. Cafe bar. Okay. So we're gonna follow to the left. I think that's the same one they had upstairs. So this one says Travessa do Bala Chao. That's the WC, the bathroom. You can buy some fruits. It's like crepe. A lot of different snacks. Beard candy. Wet mark, Four Winds. Let's see, coffee shops. Seoul. There's a little patio du Gordu. So they do have some nice places just to eat as well. Porquero. So we're gonna we can go downstairs this way, but we're gonna continue down this way. One more. This has some of the restaurants, I think. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. So they have these little signs. So that's like fish, paish. Paish is fish. Little souvenir one. Burger workshop. Worship workshop. It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go down one. NH Burger Workshop. So it looks like they missed a K in there. Workshop. Okay, so that goes up to the terrace upstairs. This goes down to the ground, so we're gonna show you that one. And then we're gonna go out and show you around the building. So we'll stick to our plan. Stick to the left. So down here we have, I think it's souvenirs, flowers, fruits, vegetables. So originally this would have been like mostly like fresh fish, meat. This goes outside, and this will go outside. Oh, and I think this one will have all the traditional ones down this way. So this is what it used to be like before. It had all like fresh, very fresh meat and fish. So the whole market was like this before. So they basically revamped it. Okay. So we are gonna go out this way. So now we're gonna be outside the market. Okay. And we're just gonna stick to, we'll just stick and go this way. Welcome to Macau. I guess the K-pop Hinin. So they have a lot of K-pop events that are in Macau these days, and I think they promote it at this place because I always see like, I think they're a sponsor probably. Donuts as well, so maybe they have donuts in here. Okay, so let's go this way. So now we're in this type of villages throughout here. And then this is the outside of our market. So we're gonna walk around the market so you get an idea of it. And the type of village is like all of that right there. And then this is, we'll see it in a moment. But that's our Mercado. There's even like a little the Portuguese will usually have like Portuguese stuff, and this one has food stuff. It's funny. Another one. Okay, so we are going to systematically show you what's around here. So,
another YouTube episode?
yeah.
Very good.
This used to have like a little pizza place right in there. We're gonna turn back around. Right there, you can see some library books up there. So I think that's used to be a biblioteca, library. Actually, I didn't know that. I didn't recognize I knew that guy until I heard his voice, but he's from Sweden. Part of the Swedish community in Macau. Okay. So this is also the Mercado as well. So this is one of the entrances. All these different signs and things as well. We're not going to go back in. We're going to go around the perimeter. This way goes towards the Taipa Centro, which is where most of the residential is at. All the people that live in Taipa usually live in these tall buildings that are, there's a whole slew of them, whole community. Here's a Mercado. And the Taipa village is more like restaurants, tourism, and then everybody else kind of lives over here. So they live here. Some will live in here too, mixed into the Taipa village, but it's like, this is not tall buildings. This is okay. Then you have a market over there. So let me just see here. Mercado Taipa. This is Cunha guy, Rua de Cunha. Then we're just gonna walk briefly into this whole space. This is like call it like a flea market kind of thing. Just open on the weekends usually. Okay. And we're going to navigate over to here. And then this is Cunha guy. So this would be a often photographed shot right here at this space. So they'll photograph that, and they'll be in tourist bureau maps and things like that. And that's the Mercado right there. So it kind of has a face look. It looks completely different. So we're gonna continue to follow that. Just gonna walk down briefly. So this is Cunha Street. It'll get very, very busy and popular. I think they're kind of hoping that maybe that Mercado will bring in more of the tourists that come on this street. Okay. So we're gonna follow the Mercado around the side a little bit. Then from up above we can see people over here. Just kind of walk. So that's that Cunha guy again. Then you have all these alleys, and it just kind of meanders into Taipa village. And that's the Mercado. So I think we were up at that spot when we first started the video. there. Okay. And then if we were to keep meandering around, we would end up in Taipa village. So I'm just going to continue just a little bit further. I'm just going to go through some of these small little alleys. And then we're going to be in a little plaza in the middle of it, a little bit. Over here. Then we'll end the video when we get in the middle of this. But yeah, little matcha. Lots of people throughout in here. And this is not Cunha, guys, it's a Mercado street. And our market would be on the other side of this apartment here, this building. I would have ended over by Cunha guy. And there's all these little alleys, so basically that market is right, kind of serves this type of village area. Okay, so this street is kind of known for like takeout food, so people are kind of standing around eating off the sides and things. So hopefully that market in the future will alleviate some of the crowds of people over here. So we're gonna go straight up to this park up here. Okay. So we're gonna be ending our video. But this is kind of all Taipa village, and you can see all the tourists and there's lots of lines that go all the way down in this area. This is all the Cunha food street, and the market was at the end of that street, just like a few minutes to walk. Let's end our video.